Hello and welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at RWWDVC1 RocwooD 15 litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There, look at the box, we've got the RocwooD logo on the front along with a picture of the product. On the side of the box it shows the quantity, weight along with the carton size. This vacuum is a great all-round addition to your house. It's compact, durable and lightweight. It's designed for wet and dry vacuuming using the appropriate filter. With an easy grip top carry handle, supported by its casters, it's extremely mobile and ensures hassle-free cleaning. It comes with a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate any warranty. Inside the box there are 3 long plastic tubes to be able to extend the pipe. The product is nice and secure and safe with lots of packaging. It's equipped with a powerful 1250 watt motor that delivers the suction necessity paired with a blower function. The RWWDVC1 is suitable for all your projects. Here's what the product looks like when you first pull out the box. Its max capacity is 15 litres, its vacuity is 18, the material of the tank is plastic, its core type is corded, and its voltage is 220 to 240 volts with a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. It also weighs 7 kilograms. Once we take the lid off the box, we'll be able to access the additional items inside, such as the 1.25 meter flexible tube. In addition, there is also the flat head used for hoovering up. Located in this plastic bag, there is the head used to be able to get in the tight corners. One bag is also provided in it as well. I'll demonstrate how to put on the bag later in this video. The ergonomic carry handle is also located in there along with the plastic bag, and of course the 4 wheels for easy maneuverability. The instruction manual is also provided in a plastic slip. And finally, a piece of foam is also provided. This goes on the filter. Here is the vacuum fully assembled. As you can see, I've got the flat head on. Additionally, on the top of the vacuum, there are some cylinder holes to be able to store the additional attachments. In addition, there are also different vacuums in the line that have different capacities. Here are the other products in the line. There is RWWDVC12, RWWDVC3 and RWWDVC5. Each have a different amount of capacity. I will now demonstrate vacuum with some paper. Now let's show you how to put the bag on the actual vacuum. There are also instructions provided as well. Here is what the bag looks like out of the plastic protective cover. You can also buy additional bags at RocwooD.co.uk. To get the bag onto the vacuum, we just need to open the white hole and then put it on using the edge on the nozzle. There's a lip connected to the nozzle that will hold the bag on. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.